Make a healthy and flavorful stew that can satisfy both your belly and taste buds. Learn how to make a pressure cooker chicken and dumplings with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Make the dumplings by adding the all-purpose flour, salt, and baking powder in a mixing bowl. Sift them together, then set aside. In another bowl, add the eggs and milk, then whisk to combine. Gradually add in the sifted flour mixture and whisk until evenly incorporated. Add the remaining sifted flour mixture, then whisk until combined, forming a massive dough. Set aside. Make the broth by adding the vegetable oil, chicken breasts, red onion, carrots, celery, chicken stock, and fresh thyme in a pressure cooker. Bring to a boil. Now gently drop in 1 tablespoon of the dough at a time, lock the lid, and bring to high pressure over high heat. Then, lower the heat for the pressure level to stabilize. Cook for 5 minutes and afterwards, release the pressure quickly and keep under low heat. Season with salt and ground black pepper to taste and adjust accordingly. Garnish with spring onions, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.